You know, for centuries, one of the most desired objects on Earth has come from deep within it. But what if that's all changing? Today, we're going to take a look at Haloplane, a company that believes the future of diamonds isn't mined from the ground, but, well, grown for a new generation. This right here is the central question that's driving a massive shift in the jewelry industry. For decades, the sheer beauty of a diamond has kind of been shadowed by questions about where it came from. Haloplane puts that conflict front and center, asking, hey, can brilliance and a clear conscience finally go hand in hand? And their answer to that question is what they're calling a new generation of diamonds, which is really a fundamental shift in how fine jewelry is sourced, how it's crafted, and how it's sold. Here's their mission, boiled down to 4 really powerful words: brilliance meets conscience. It's such a simple phrase, but it connects that timeless desire for a beautiful diamond directly to the growing demand we're all seeing for ethical and sustainable choices. So how do they actually achieve this? Well, it's with lab-grown diamonds. Now, these aren't imitations. They are physically and chemically identical to mined diamonds. The entire idea behind Haloplane is built on delivering that exact same timeless beauty, but without the enormous environmental footprint or the ethical questions tied to traditional mining. This slide really lays out the core difference, doesn't it? The traditional model often comes with high environmental costs and these super complex supply chains that can hide the true price. Haloplane's model counters each point directly. Ethical production keeps the impact low, and a direct-to-you approach just cuts out all the middlemen, which leads to fairer pricing for you. Okay, so that's the big idea, but how do they actually deliver on this promise of a better way? Let's dive into what they call the Haloplane advantage.
So their advantage really rests on 3 main pillars. First up is fair pricing, which, makes sense with their direct-to-consumer model. Next is 24/7 support, which is absolutely essential for making a big online purchase feel safe and secure. And finally, a global logistics network that's designed to get their products to customers pretty much anywhere.
And here's a perfect, concrete example of that global promise in action. Express delivery to EU countries in just 1 to 3 days. See, this isn't just some vague claim of being global. It's a tangible, real-world service that shows they've got their logistics down. That's how you build confidence. So, we've covered the product and the company's operational advantages. Now let's shift focus over to the customer experience. Because let's be real, for something as personal as jewelry, that's where everything comes together.
I gotta say, I like this line. It's personal. It's aspirational. It moves the conversation from all the technical stuff about lab-grown diamonds to the emotional reason people buy them in the first place, right? To mark a special moment, to have something that was crafted just for you.
Their customer journey is really built on 3 key promises: modern, innovative design, comprehensive support, and most importantly, timeless quality. And this one directly tackles the biggest hesitation a buyer might have. Are lab-grown diamonds as good as the ones from a mine? And the answer is a definitive yes. Every single piece is certified, which confirms its quality and its value. This isn't just a promise, it's a guarantee. And that is absolutely vital when you're trying to build trust in such a traditional industry. All of this brings us to their final, really powerful summary. Just 3 words that perfectly capture their entire philosophy. Ethical. That's all about how it's made, with a clear conscience. Brilliant. That's about the quality, the sparkle and beauty you expect from a diamond. And finally, yours. It's personal, it's custom, and it's accessible directly to you. What a powerful summary of their whole value proposition. So we end right where we began, with a question. But this time, it's for you. Haloplane has presented its vision for what a modern diamond can be. The final question is, what does a diamond for a new generation look like to you? Thanks for joining us.